your entire Walmart order history, collected with one click. And instantly it becomes answers, totals, averages, and a spending chart. Make it yours. Every default is a setting. Export as Excel, CSV, JSON, printable receipts, or PDF. And yes, there's dark mode. Click any month, and the whole dashboard narrows to show exactly where it went. See every price hike on the items you buy again and again. And your habits charted. Every order expands into a full invoice, down to the last cent. Tax season, select your orders and export, 2 clicks. And your assistant can use it too. One toggle connects Claude or any MCP tool straight to your data. Ask a question, get the answer, all on your machine. No accounts, no servers, nothing ever leaves your device, and you can erase everything in one click. Your year at Walmart, yours to keep. Walmart Invoice Exporter. Free, open source, and private by design. Add it to Chrome today.